Today we are going to discuss some examples of permutation. Okay. So first example 1, show that example first show that S3 is symmetry of an S3 is symmetry of an S3 is symmetry of an equilateral triangle. Okay, how to show this example? To show here S3 is group which contains 3 symbols, and here to show this is symmetry of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so consider S equal to which contain 3 symbol 1 2 3. Okay, we know that order of S3 is, we know that order of Sn is n factorial. Okay, therefore which implies that order of S3 is 3 factorial means 6. Okay, consider equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle with vertices 1 2 3. Okay, with vertices 1 2 and 3. Okay, so consider equilateral triangle is, suppose that this is equilateral triangle. Okay, and their positions are 1 2 3. This is a equilateral triangle. Okay, so how to here to show S3 symmetry. Okay, so we rotate them through 0 degree, then their value is must be as itself. Okay, so rotation through this triangle is rotating 0 degree, 60 degree, each angle is 60 degree. Okay, because this is equilateral triangle, then this is rotate, then this reflection this side, then we get we get 6 permutations. Okay, so firstly rotation through 0 degree. Okay, rotation through 0 degree, we get rotation through 0 degree is, if this triangle, this is our triangle 1 2 3, if this triangle is rotating through 0 degree. Okay, this triangle is rotating through 0 degree means which is rotating through 0 degree means as it is right. Okay, therefore their value is must be 0 degree means no rotating, then their positions are as it is. Okay, means this is sigma naught. Okay, this is sigma naught, and there 1 2 3, 1 has value 1, 2 has value 2, and 3 has value 3. Okay, 1 has value 1 2 3. This is rotation through 0 degree. We get a value, we get a permutation, identity permutation. Okay, then rotation through 60 degree. Okay, rotation through 60 degree, we get rotation through 60 degree. This is our 0 degree angle 1 2 3. Okay, this is rotate through 60 degree. Okay, this is rotate through 60 degree. We get all positions of 1 2 3 are changes. 1 have position as 2, 2 as 3, and 3 as 1. Okay, means 60 degree rotation. Positions are 1 2 3 have positions are 3 has position 3 has at position of 1. Okay, 1 has 2, sorry, 1 has 2 and 2 has 3. Okay, means sigma, suppose here sigma 1 has value 1 has value is 1 2 3. Okay, 1 has value is 3, 2 has value is 1, and 3 has value, sorry, here 2. Okay, 2 has value 2 is position of 3. Okay, here 2 has value is 3 has value is 2. Okay, means this one permutation here exists. Then the third, rotation through 120 degree. Okay, this 0 degree, then 60 degree, then again add 60 degree. Okay, means this triangle again rotate through 60 degree, or this triangle is rotated through 120 degree. Okay, we get 1 2 3, and this is rotated through 60 degree. Okay, then 60 degree plus 60 degree rotation, this is equal to 120 degree. Okay, then their positions are here. When this triangle is rotating through 60 degree, then 3 is at position of 1, and again rotating through 60 degree, then 3 at position of 2. Okay, means this if we means firstly this is 60 degree, again this triangle is rotating through 60 degree. Okay, or this triangle is rotated through 120 degree. Here firstly this triangle is rotated through 60 degree, then their positions are 3 1 2. Again this triangle is rotated through 60 degree, then 3 is at position of 1. Okay, 3 is position of at 1, 1 is 2 and 2 is 3. Then their value is, means 3 is at position of 2, means here 3 value, here 1 is at here and 2 is at here. Okay, therefore sigma 2 has value 1 2 3. 1 has value is 2, 2 has value is 3, and 3 has value is 1. This is one triangle, one permutation exists. Okay, now taking reflection, above angle bisect, means this angle above angle bisect. Okay, reflection above angle bisector at 1, means 1 has position bisect this triangle, then this triangle is bisecting 1 2 3. Okay, then bisecting this triangle means reflection. Okay, reflection through 1, then 1 has position is 1. If this triangle has reflection, then 1 has position 1, but only changing the position of 3 and 2. 2 has position is 3 and 3 has position is 2. Only change reflection. Okay, only changing the position of 2 and 3. Okay, so then their triangle exists of the form of 1 3 2. Okay, this is sigma 3. Sigma 3 is 1 2 3, and 1 has value is 1, and 2 has value 3, and 3 has value is 2. Okay, again now taking reflection bisect from 2 and bisect from 3, then we get a value taking reflection above angle bisector at 2. Okay, at 2, then if 1 2 3 bisect angle at point 2, means this is bisecting, then 2 has position 2, only changing the position of 3 and 1. Okay, we get an angle of the form of bisecting, then 2 has position 2 and only changing the position of 1 and 3. Okay, so we get a value sigma 4 equal to given permutation 1 2 3. 1 has value 3, 2 has value 2, and 3 has value 1. This is one permutation exists. Okay. Then next permutation, this is 5 permutation. Then last one permutation is bisect angle at 3. Okay, so taking reflection, above angle bisector at 3, above angle bisector at 3. Okay, if bisecting our triangle at 3, then 1 2 3. Okay, then bisect this triangle at the form, means only changing the position of 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the permutation of S3. 3 has only 3 value and 2 1. This is a sigma 5. Okay, sigma 5 is 1 2 3. 3 has only 3 and only position changes 2 and 1. This is a 6 permutations are S3 has these 6 permutations: sigma naught, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4 and sigma 5. Okay, this is a 6 permutations are exist at triangle. Okay, therefore lastly thus we have S3 equal to, sigma naught, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4 and sigma 5. Okay, which is a group under permutation multiplication. Okay, this is group under permutation multiplication. Okay, so S3 is called, therefore S3 is called as symmetric group. S3 is called symmetric group on 3 symbols. Okay, S3 is a symmetric group which contains 3 symbols on 3 symbols. Okay, this is one example of equilateral triangle. Then another example is next dihedral group. Okay, this is symmetric group. Then next is dihedral group. Okay, the symmetries of square. This is triangle. Triangle is called symmetric group. Okay, then symmetry of the symmetrizes the symmetries of square. The symmetries of square is called as dihedral group. Okay, it's called as dihedral group. Okay, here this triangle is symmetric group. This symmetric group is symmetric of triangle. Okay, symmetries of triangle is called symmetric group and symmetries of square is called dihedral group. Dihedral group which contains means of the form of square. Okay, in general or here one notation here repeat, it is denoted as, dihedral group is denoted by D suffix n. Okay, capital D suffix n, which is denoted by dn. Okay, sorry, this is d4. Dn means for n polygon. Dn means n polygon. Here only square, which means that only 4 elements contain here, 4 letters. So which is called d4. Okay, in general dn. Okay, in general dn is the group of symmetries. In general dn is a group of symmetries In general, Dn is a group of symmetries of regular n polygon or n1. Okay, means which contains n number of polygon squares. Okay, this is also called nth diagonal group. Okay, this is also called nth diagonal group. Okay, and order of Dn is order of Dn is 2 into n. Okay, which contains element 2n elements contain Dn. Okay, so an order of symmetric group is n factorial. Order of Dn is 2 into n. Okay, so example, obtain the group D4. Obtain the group D4 symmetries of square. Symmetries of square means square. Symmetries of square. Obtain the group symmetries of square. Here D4 is also called as optic group. Okay, D4 is also called as optic group. This is symmetries of square. Okay, so how to obtain D4 as a permutation in similar way of symmetries? Okay, see, if here to finding in previous example how to finding symmetries of an equilateral triangle. Okay, show that S3 has permutation, we get this 6 permutation. This 6 permutation, how to find at equilateral triangle? We rotating 0 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree and reflection at 1, 2 and 3. Okay, similar way here D4 has square is rotated through 90 degree, 180 degree to 70 degree and then bisect from each side. Okay, then we get a bisect diagonal, two side diagonal, and upper and lower side is bisect and rotate through 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. Okay, so how to find their permutation? Okay, so symmetries are obtained. Symmetries are obtained through 0 degree, 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree and 270 degree. Okay, also reflection through two diagonals, and perpendicular bisector. Okay, perpendicular bisector of opposite side. Okay, opposite sides. Okay, so rotation through 0 degree. First one is rotation through 0 degree. We get rotation through 0 degree. We get this is square of the form which contains element 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which has rotating 0 degree. Okay, means which is triangle we get as it is triangle. Okay, so their value is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, means sigma naught. This is identity matrix. Okay, this is called identity matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and their value is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then next this triangle is this square is rotated through 90 degree. Then This square is rotated through 90 degree. Rotation through 90 degree. We get 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then rotation through 90 degree. Anti-clockwise we get 90 degree rotation. We get a value of position of 1, 2, 3 as form of 1 has position at 4, 2 has position at 1, 3 has position at 2 and 4 has position at 3, means which is rotating through 90 degree. Then only changing the position at one point. Okay, means here 2 has position is at which is this triangle is exist at 1, 2, 3, 4, only changing the position of 1, 2, 3, 4 at 90 degree. Okay, so this is the triangle exist, therefore this is called sigma 1. Say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 has value is 2, 2 has value is 3, 3 has value is 4 and 4 has value is 1. Okay, this is one permutation exist. Again rotation through 90 degree or 180 degree. Okay, rotation through 90 degree plus 90 degree. Okay, we get here this is one square, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotation through 90 degree, we get a square of the form of 1, 2, 3, 4. Again rotate this 90 degree. Then given angle is of the form of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, means rotate through 90 degree. We get, means this triangle is rotating through 180 degree. We get a value. This is called sigma 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 has value is 3, 2 has value is 4, 4 has value is 1 and 3 has value is 2. Okay, sorry, 3 has value is 1 and 4 has value is 2. Okay, this is triangle is exist this way. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, 4 has value is 2, 4 has value is 2 and 3 has value is 1. Okay, this is one permutation exist. Again rotation through 270 degree. Okay, means this triangle again rotate through 90 degree. Okay, so rotation through 270 degree. Rotation through 270 degree, we get squares of, this is of the form of 1, 2, 4, 3. We get a 270 degree. Then 270 degree, which triangle, means this is 180 degree triangle. This triangle rotated through again 90 degree. Then we get position 1 is at 1 is at 4 position. Then 4 is at 3, 3 is at 2 position and 2 is at 1 position. Okay, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, rotation through 270 degree. We get sigma 3 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then their value is 1 has value is 4, 2 has value is 1. Then 4 has value is 3 has value is 2 and 4 has value is 3. Okay, this is 4 permutation. Again D4 has order. What permutation contains D4? D4 means 2n order. Okay, means 8 permutation. Here 1 and this 3 is 1. 4 permutation are exist. Then other 4 permutation are of the form of reflection through 2 diagonals and bisect from opposite side. Okay, means there 2 diagonals, 2 permutation and bisect from 2 opposite sides. Then there 2 permutation, means 4 permutation are rotate through here. Then next bisecting angle. Okay, bisecting square this is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then bisect this is of the form of above, opposite side. Okay, bisecting this type, then only changing the position at 1 as 2, 4 as 3 and 3 as 4, 2 as 1. Okay, so we get a triangle, we get a square is of the form, only changing the position, 1 is at point 2. Okay, only changing the position, bisect this triangle, we get a reflection. Okay, means 2 is at 1 position, 1 is at 2 position, 4 is at 3 position, 4 is at 3 position, 3 is at, means 1 2 3 4, means sigma 4 is of the form of 1 2 3 4, and their value, 1 as value is 2, 2 as value is 1, and 3 as value is 4, and 4 as value is 3. Okay, so next bisecting is parallel side to 4 and 3. Okay, so next rotation 1 2 3 4, and this is bisect in this side. Then only position, 1 is at 4 and 4 is at 1, 2 is at 3 and 3 as what, 2 is at 3. Okay, so we get a value of squares is 4 1 3 2. Okay, this is called sigma 5. Sigma 5 has value 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 has value 4, then 4 has value is 1, 2 has value 3 and 3 has value is 2. This is one permutation exists. And next 2 is diagonals. Okay, diagonals are 4 and 3. You need to diagonal change. Okay, this diagonal or this diagonal. Okay, so here next is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then bisecting this diagonal, then only 4 has value 4 and 2 has value 2, only changing the position 1 and 3. Okay, so 3 1 and 4 2 as it is. Therefore sigma 6 equal to, this is sigma 6 has value 1 2 3 4, and 1 has value 3. Okay, 1 has value is 3, 2 has value 2, 3 has value is 1, and 4 has value is 4 as it is. Okay, then next bisect at 3. Okay, bisect is at 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Bisecting this triangle is of the form of, then the value is only changing the value of 2 and 4. Okay, 1 and 3 as it is value. Okay, sorry, 2 and 4. Therefore sigma 7 equal to 1 2 3 4, means D4 contains these 8 permutations of form of this form. Okay, so 2 has value 4 and 4 has value 2, 3 1 as it is. Okay, this is 8 permutation, this is 7, and this one is identity permutation. These permutations are contain D4. Okay, so thus we get a 8 permutation on the 4 symbols. Okay, thus we get 8 permutation. Thus we get 8 permutation on 4 symbols, as symmetries of square. Thus order of D4 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is symmetries of diagonal group.